NCEA Chinese Level 1, Characters and Compounds, Unit 8, brought to you by NZ Chinese Classroom. 大家好，我是安利老师. Just a few reminders before we get started. Make sure that you work at your own pace. Pause the video if you need to. Repeat after me to practice your tones and pronunciation. Write notes about the characters, radicals, and sentences so that when you come to study them, you'll have more to help you. And write down any questions that you have so that you can discuss them with your teacher in class. 我们开始吧. 干. So this means to do. 你在干什么? What are you doing? 我在网上买东西. So I'm on the internet buying things. Simple. You can also say 你在做什么? What are you doing? Or 你在干什么 is probably more common. So it literally just means to do. 高, you should know this one, meaning very tall. 他不但很高，而且很帅. So he is not only very tall, he is also very handsome. 高兴, happy. 星期二我要去北岛。我很高兴. So on Tuesday, I will go to the North Island. I'm very happy. 告. So this is about informing. You won't see it by itself, but you can imagine there the little hand telling someone something. Okay, 告诉, to tell or to inform. 请告诉我你最喜欢的动物. Please tell me your favorite animal. And the second example, 他告诉我他不想去海边. He told me that he didn't want to go to the beach. Next one, 哥. You won't see this one by itself, it'll double up as a 哥哥, an older brother. 我的哥哥比我大3岁. My older brother is older than me by 3 years. Have a look at how the sentence is made. So we've got 比我大, and then how many years? 3岁, 3 years. Okay, 哥哥穿着蓝色的衬衣. So the older brother is wearing the j, remember after the verb is the ing, a blue top, a blue shirt. Older brother's wearing a blue shirt. Okay, 哥. This is our lovely measure word for general things. 我有一个哥哥. I have one older brother. So whenever you're saying how many of something you have, you must have a measure word, even if you're just saying I have one of them. And the measure word, where does it go? That's right, after the number, but before the noun. Don't forget your measure words. And if you do forget your measure words, make sure just use 个. Okay. 我想买2个苹果，8个西瓜. I would like to buy 2 apples and 8 watermelons. So remember when you're saying 2 of something, you have 2, and don't forget your measure word, 个. 给, to give. 请把那本书给我. So we learned about this ba structure, about disposal, moving something. So here it is again. So 请把那本书, please, that book, 给我, give to me. Please give me that book. 妈妈给我买了花. Mum bought for me flowers. So 给我, for me, did something. It could be 做饭. Made a meal. So this 给 is meaning it was for someone. So it doesn't mean to give in this instance. So be careful with this one. All right. 恭. There's a couple of expressions that you should know. So especially celebrating Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财. This means may you be prosperous. There's 2 phrases. 恭喜恭喜, which is just like be prosperous and like blessings. And 恭喜发财, may you be prosperous. And it's often accompanied with this hand signal. All right. 工 is about working. A 工人, a worker, working person. 工人民下班以后一起去吃饭了. So the workers after work together went to eat food. So after work, the workers went together to eat food. All right, 工作, workplace, work. 你想做什么工作? So what work would you like to do? 工, another 工, first tone. So this one has that gong radical in it, but it's also got the strength. So this is about skill. 功课, the skill that you need to do your classes, otherwise known as homework that you should do before class. Alright, 老师给我们很多功课. 真的吗? So the teacher gave us a lot of homework. 公, this is about a public place. But we have 公斤, this is a kilogram. A jin is 500 grams, a 公斤 is a kg. 请给我3公斤苹果. Please give me 3 kgs of apples. And 公园, a public park. 我们一起去公园散步吧. Let's go to the park for a walk. See the ba suggestion radical in there? Cool. And gong. This is about common togetherness. So you won't see it by itself, you'll see it with an I. Remember when it's with the fourth tone, I changes to second tone. So we've got I gong, meaning all together. This is very useful when you're talking about the prices of things and adding things up. So 3个香蕉4个苹果一共8块钱. So 3 bananas and 4 apples altogether is 8 kwai. 狗 dog. 我的狗是白色的. My dog is white. 小狗, literally little dog. In English we call little dogs puppies. Note that 狗 has the animal radical in it, and it's also got like this mouth in it as well, and you can think of a dog using its mouth to lick you a lot. 我妹妹很想买一只小狗. My little sister would like to buy a little puppy, a little dog, a puppy. Alright, 关. This means to shut, and it can also mean to turn off. You can turn off the lights. 关灯. Alright, 请关灯. Please turn off the lights. And 关门, to close the door. 太冷了，请关门，可以吗? It's too cold. Please close the door. Is that okay? Is that allowed? Okay, 没关系. This means no worries, all good. So this is written in a response to 对不起, and then you would say 没关系, no worries, it's okay. Alright, and 馆. So this has the food radical in it, but it's about a service establishment, something that provides a service. So things that provide a service, we have a 饭馆, a restaurant. 我们星期六一起去饭馆吃饭吧. So on Saturday, let's together go to the restaurant to eat. And 图书馆, this is about books. So a library is also a service establishment. 我喜欢去图书馆学习，因为很安静. I like to go to the library to study because it is very quiet. Nina? Alright, to follow up, make sure that you write down any questions that you have, get onto Quizlet to practice these words, complete the listening or reading activity for the week, any grammar activities, and complete the unit test. Until next time, 再见.